Hi, this is Natalie from 9.arrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here to do my first video, and that is an unboxing video of the items sent by Lisa from Lisa Paper, Lace and Bling. But first I want to introduce the ladies that are hosting this collaboration. Again, that is Lisa from Lisa Paper, Lace and Bling, and also Cherry from Sweet Pea Papers. And it's called Crafty Christmas in July 2023. And this is the hashtag we are using. And there are two things I need to mention to you. That Terry from Sweet Pea Papers is doing a giveaway in her Facebook group. So check out her Facebook group, become a member. And there's also a video available on her channel explaining about the prizes and also the way you can enter this giveaway. It is running throughout the whole month of July, and the drawing will be on August 1st. And well, again, the hashtag Crafty Christmas in July 2023. And the other thing is about Lisa's shop. Lisa has, if you purchase for $15 or more, you will receive a free yard of lace, and just follow the shop and place the order. And if you place an order over 35, I wanted to speak Dutch, $35, you get free shipment. And this is all running also in July. And make sure you check out Lisa's shop, and also Terry's Facebook group, Terry's shop, but also other channels of the other collaborators. And we have all the info down below. And like I said, Lisa sent all of us a little package with goodies to use, and I'm going to unwrap it on camera. And there are 4 digital kits available for us to work with, and I have all the information about those kits linked down below too. This is the package I received. I wasn't allowed to look, but obviously I could see this because yeah, it's on top. But I really like this blingy, I don't know how you call it, it's not lace, we call it tulle. But I really like it, and it has sparkles everywhere. And she also sent, I'm so sorry, it's a little bit ripped, but oh, music paper, or no, how is it called, piano roll. But I can still use it. I like piano roll. And a little, how is it called? Tissue paper. Okay, get everything straight, Natalie. So yeah, this is my package. Going to unwrap it. Ooh, really cute buttons. I love buttons. That's so cute. Oh, no, don't go off. But yeah, I like those buttons. They are so cute. And a little bead. So yeah, we are going to be working with these items we received in combination with papers, of course, digitals, but maybe I'm also going to use like music paper, book pages. I will see. To be honest, I haven't, sorry, I haven't thought about what I'm going to do. Well, I did thought about it, but my mind is going everywhere. So, but first let me unwrap. Oh, this is so beautiful. I really like the edging of this. So this is cute. This is very cute. Goes well with the red and the green. This is cute too. This is really suitable for edging on the papers, but also on a tag or a journal card or a beautiful envelope. Oh, this is so soft. I really like this lace. Yeah, it's just pretty. So there's a lot. A little doily. This is cute. Yeah, I like these. Oh, this is a favorite color of mine. Green. I love green. Yeah, a lot of goodies in here. Ooh, little bows. That's very Christmassy. And another. Oh, sorry, I think I dropped one button. Back in the little baggie. This is cute too. And we have this one. You can turn this into a beautiful pocket. I'm going to, let me just do it like this. I'm going to take everything out. So it's out. This is like embroidery something. No, this is embroidery. I'm not sure how you call this, but it's beautiful. I like this. There's a lot to play with. This is pretty too. Embroidery. This is cute too. I love the flowers. And a napkin. It's pretty too. Oh, I like the colors. So yeah, there's a lot to play with. So thank you very much, Lisa, for sending me this. And I will do my best to make a pretty project, or several pretty projects maybe, with all these goodies. And yeah, make sure you check out the video of Terry, so you can see how to enter the giveaway. Make sure you check out Terry's video. She has a video too. She also has a channel, but everything is linked down below. But most of all, make sure you visit her shop, because she has more goodies in there. And also, if you order above a certain amount, you will receive the 1 yard extra. Was it a yard? Am I saying it right? Because I'm a Dutchie. Maybe I'm saying it wrong. Yeah, you will receive a free yard of lace when you purchase $50 or more. And when you purchase for $35, you will get free shipment. So, it's beautiful. I really like the laces. Those of you who know, I have quite a collection of laces, but these I don't have. So that's fun to use something new. And also have this piece. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is not a very long video, but yeah, follow the Facebook groups to join in with because you can join in, you can craft too. And also check out the giveaway. Make sure you follow along, because it's a lot of fun doing Christmas in July, and especially with all these beautiful items that I have received. And yeah, now I know what's in the bag. I can start to think of what I'm going to do, because I couldn't think of something because I didn't know what's in the bag. But yeah, this is a very short video, I know, but there will be more from me about this. And like I said, follow the others too. Everything's linked down. Everything is linked down below. Sorry, it's late already. I had a working day, and I will see you the next time. Maybe you want to give it a like. Maybe you want to subscribe. Leave a comment. Yeah. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. Greetings from the Netherlands, and I hope to see you the next time. Bye-bye. Bye.